There is nothing quite as terrifying as stepping on the gas pedal to merge into traffic and getting absolutely zero response, or having your car suddenly go into limp mode where it crawls along at a snail's pace. That is the reality of the P2140 code, which stands for Throttle or Pedal Position Sensor Voltage Correlation. Back in the 90s, cars used a simple cable to open the throttle. It was mechanical and reliable, but today we use drive-by-wire technology. When you press the pedal, you are just pressing a sensor that sends a voltage signal to the computer. The computer then calculates how much power you need and sends a command to an electric motor on the throttle body to open the plate. It is amazing for fuel economy and traction control, but it adds complexity. This code happens when the computer gets confused. There are usually two sensors inside the throttle body, acting as a fail-safe system, sending two different voltage signals that are supposed to match up perfectly. If they disagree for even 2 seconds, the computer thinks, wait a minute, I do not know where the throttle actually is, and it shuts things down for safety. The most common cause I have seen is not even a bad sensor, but the wiring connect, often called the pigtail. The female terminals inside that plastic plug can get corroded or loose, causing a momentary break in the connection. Before you replace an expensive throttle body, unplug that connector, check for green corrosion, and maybe tighten up the pins. Another huge tip is the relearn procedure. Sometimes the parts are fine, but the computer just lost its memory of where 0 and 100% throttle are. You can often reset this by following a specific key-on, pedal press sequence for your specific make, like the Nissan Dance, where you time your pedal presses to the seconds. Always check for technical service bulletins first, because manufacturers often release software updates or extended warranties for these exact throttle issues.